How to add products in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily add products in Shopify and start selling your products. First of all, launch open the Shopify application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Shopify, then if you haven't completed all the requirements in the homepage, then you might be able to see the Add Your First Product button at the top of the screen. Simply tap on it to start adding a product in your Shopify account. Now this will take you to this new page where you can go ahead and enter your product descriptions. Fill in the required information such as add images. Go ahead and tap Add Images and go ahead and select the product from your device's camera roll. Or you can tap the camera button and take a picture of the product right away. You may need to allow access if you are using camera. Now, go ahead and take a picture of your product. For now, I'm just going to take a picture of this microphone. After you take a picture, click on Use Photo at the bottom right. After adding the photo, click on Done at the top right corner. Now, once you are done, go ahead and enter the product title on the next field. You can also add the description for your product. Make sure to type in a detailed information, features, or benefit. After typing it down, you can then move on to the next field. Select the category of your product by tapping Select Category, choose the category, and click on Save. Now, where you see this UGXO, tap on it and then enter the price. Set the price and compare at price if needed. After you are done, click Save, and then on the next field, enter other information such as setting up sales channels, variants, inventory. Inside inventory, enter how many is available, and after choosing the number, go ahead and fill in the rest of the information such as size, colors, or any other variants if applicable. Once you are done with it, you can also go ahead and enter some tags. And finally, after you are done filling in all of the information, click on Save at the top right corner. Once you do that, your changes will be saved. Now you have added your product for sale in Shopify. Make sure to use high-quality images to make products more appealing. Include clear, keyword-rich descriptions to improve search visibility, and your product is now live on Shopify. You can now continue adding more products, managing inventory, or promoting your store. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.